Hi everyone, welcome to KS Trading Academy, and this day we are teaching about lesson number 2. Hope you liked the lesson number 1 in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please go and see that video. The link is down below. So here we are, and as we are going to lesson number 2, let's recover what we actually thought in lesson number 1. So we thought about brokers, demand and supply, deceleration trade setup, and anti-climax trade setup. And then here we have seen the basic steps: binary, forex, CFD, and what are the brokers here, IQ options, experts, and MT4, MT5 for forex, and for binary. So we have seen all these things, and demand and supply, open, high, low, close, and deceleration trade setup. So and then anti-climax trade setup, and then we see uh, all these things last previous lesson. If you haven't seen that lesson, go now, and it's a beginner guide from one step onwards to 100 steps. So it's like a step number 1. Lesson number 1 is step number 1. Please go and watch it. And today we are going to learn about support and resistance, downward trend, upward trend. Okay, so okay guys, here we are, and let's see what is support and resistance. Okay, so when you open a chart, it shows like this. And just a minute, pen. Okay, so when you open a chart, you will see all these kind of patterns, and it will be very confusing. You will be trading like, okay, let's keep sell now, or let's keep call, or buy now. So you will click the buttons, and end of the day you will lose all the money. So it's very hard, right? So here we are. This support and resistance makes you to understand about when to place a trade, and it will help you to get more knowledge about it, and you will understand how to place your trades in this lesson. So here you can see the support and resistance, and see the support. What is support means? See, here, from here, it's a support, like it fall here, and it went up, and it went down, and it went, so it's a support here. So for this for this downtrend line, this is support, and for this it is support, and for this it is support, and go on like that. So what is resistance and all, we'll talk about it. So here, see the trade. For example, you open a candlestick and it's all like this, and you have to find out where it is like this. Do you understand where it is? When you apply this line, it will, what to say, it will actually connect to these candlesticks here and the next following candles here. So even in the downwards, it will connect here and somewhere else. So the support is down line. Okay, this is the support, because it's coming from here, and this is the support. So what is resistance? Resistance is this, or this, or this. This is the resistance, so it will not go up. So it will trade between these two lines. Okay, did you understand? This is the support. So when this downtrend comes and stops in the support, you can put a here, you can buy, and when it goes to resistance, you can sell. So it will be very clear and very easy to understand how you can place a trade. Okay, one, and let's see some examples as well. See, this is a candlestick chart you usually see. So from here it came down, and this is the, what is this? This is the support, and it went up again, and this is the resistance, and it came down. This is the support. So support and resistance are very, very important in this lesson. So hope you guys understand this. So how you can actually draw a lines for support and resistance? You might be thinking like that, I'm seeing this chart, but I don't know how to draw the lines. So when you draw a line in IQ options or some brokers, so the line should touch here the down one, okay, and the next following one, and the next following, like two like down trends should be touched the line. Hope you understand this. Here it's touched, and next one here it is touched, and here it is touched. It means a support. So here it is touched, here it is touched, here, and here. So this is a resistance. So this is a support and resistance lines. Hope you understand this. Okay, so you might be wondering another thing, third thing. Okay, I'm seeing this trending line, but I don't know how to place. You are saying support and resistance, but I'm seeing all different. So here you will see. So for these lines, it is the support and it is the resistance. Support, resistance, support. Here you might be thinking, what about this? It means breakout. What we will call is breakout. So from support to trend to resistance, so it should come back, but it is breakout. Maybe there are many buyers, so that's why it's breakout. And then once it's breakout, what happens? This one changes into support, so then it will go to the top, and this one we will call as resistance, and then support, resistance, support and resistance. So once it breakouts, so it's going to change the direction. So it, for example, if it is here like this, then next time it will be here, or like it will be down. So it's like, you can see the example of here, support and resistance. Hope you understood this. And for example, you can see here, and it went up. So this is the breakout. It went up and it came down again from here. This is the support zone. Up, resistance, support and resistance. And here what happens? It breaks out. So it went again, and this one is resistance. And what happens here, from here onwards, it will change. This line will change into a support, not this one. This from here, starting from here to here, it says this is the support and this is the resistance. Hope you understood. So I recommend, or I suggest, openchartinc.com. You will find many many kind of charts where you can practice, where you can take it and you can practice it. So practice it 100 times. Just put the line, like where is the support and resistance. It should touch like 3-4 lines. Okay, and let's go into downward trend and upward trend, and we will see here about few things. At the last of this video, I'm going to show you an example and how it will be. So downward trend and upward trend, what is it? See, it is very similar to support and resistance, and it is support and resistance, of course. So here you can see this is the support, resistance, and then here the support and resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So how can you say this is upward trend? Okay, so I'll be going to show you how it is. Let me take a pen. So from here, what you have to do, you have to apply a line. Okay, remember, so resistance on the top one, you have to take it. You have to apply a line like this. Okay, maybe it's different lines in your brokers. And for example, from we can take even from here, support, 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 support. So what happens, which is support now? This is support line, see, upward trend. So this is resistance. When you draw lines like this, see, when it touches resistance, you can put, okay, sorry for that, and here you have a put, and here you can put. See this line, how it is going down. So when it touches the support, you have to call, so it will go up, and your trade will be won, an ITM. See here, resistance, then it's going down. So here support means call. So this is very good strategy if you can use in your trading. So this is very good strategies, and learn this. If you don't know about this, please watch this video again and again and again. Sorry. So let's see some examples. When we see the uptrend, what do we call this? This is a resistance, and we can call it as higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. And this is and this one is going up, right? This trend is going upwards, so we will call it as higher low, higher low, and higher low, this one, this part. So this is higher high. Okay, so you can actually see here a sideways trend. So this is resistance and this is support. So here put, and here you can call it, and here you can put, and again came down, call. So it's like this. So once it happened, once this one is breakdown, we'll call it as breakdown, this one is breakdown. So once it break down, it will come again to here at this level and it will go down again. So what do we call this one here, this line we will call it as resistance, right? Sorry for I cannot write here. So this line we call it as resistance, this one is support because it is down. So what we will call this one, this is lower low, lower low, lower low, and this is lower high, lower high. If it comes here, lower high. Okay, hope you guys understand this. Please watch this video again and again, hope it will understand. These are very important steps if you are a beginner. So that's it for today's lesson, and we will see the lesson 3, swing highs and swing lows. So if you want to understand about support and resistance, then you should know about swing highs, swing lows. So maybe in the next lesson I will show you the swing highs and swing lows. So I'm going to show you some examples now. So let's see some examples how you can apply this support and resistance. Okay, this. So let's see some examples now. Okay guys, here you can see I opened this MT5, MetaTrader 5, and here are the chart you might be seeing like this in your brokers. So when you say like this, let's say what is support and resistance first, for example. So here we have seen the support, and what is the resistance? This is the resistance, and I will find a better one. See here, let's draw the support line first. So when you draw the support line, it should touch like 2 times at least, 2 times, which I mean 2 times is here it's touched 1 time, here another time, and here another time, and here. So you might be wondering why this one goes down and came back, it didn't touch here. So it is breakdown failure. Okay, breakdown failure. So it went down and it went up, it means breakdown failure. So it touched here and here and here, so it is confirmed that this is a support line. Let's draw another line and let's draw it here. Let's see how this goes. It touched here once, here twice, right? And see here, how's the resistance? Awesome, right? So this is the see here again, support. Let's see, let's go previous. Okay, so let's go to, oh my god, let's go to previous. So yeah, so when we see here, this is the support and this is the resistance. Hope you understood. So when we see this kind of market, you might be wondering how to choose the support and resistance. So here we have the support, here we have the support, and here we have the resistance. See, so it reached the resistance and it came down. So if you buy here, how much profit you have made it? So much, right? So it went down to the support. So if you call here, how much money you might have made it? See here, what big, and here downward, like put how much money you have made here, and here put how much money, and here put. And this one is called breakdown, and this one is called breakout. So it is going out, breakout. So for this, it is the resistance, it is the support. For this is the resistance, this is the support. So for this is the resistance, this is the support. Hope you guys understood. And you might be thinking how to trade, it's going up and it's going like this, for example. How? So you can take a line like this. You can actually see, this is the line where you can draw, like at least it touched 2 times, right? Here and here. Let's draw one more from low to here. You can even draw like this, or you can even draw like this. It depends. Or let's take this to here. Let's draw like this, where it touches more times. Okay. And this one, let's, oops, is this, let's say this one here. Oops, this is not working. Just a minute. So this is how you have to, understood the lines. Okay, see how is this? It came here, then this is the support, right? This line is support, this is resistance, support. It went up, resistance, came down, support, resistance, support, and it break down. So this is how you have to put the support and resistance. So hope you guys understood, and this is a very big lesson. Do not skip the video or do anything. It's very important for you to know what is support and resistance. Hope you guys understood this lesson very well. Go to MT5, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. I'll give you the link below. So download that software in your laptop and practice 100, 200, 300 times. Okay, see here one more. You can see like this. It's a very good downward trend. Okay, it touched here, here, and here. See, it's like you have to adjust a little bit like this. Okay, so if you want the other line, you can draw it from here. See how many times it touched. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So this is the example for downward trend. Okay, and this is the top. If you put here, if you click put, you will get a lot of money, and again here a lot of money, and again here buy. What a good strategy, right? So hope you understood this, guys, and let's see what we cover today. We have covered from lesson number 1, brokers, demand, supply, and we have covered basic steps of binary, forex, CFD, brokers, IQ options, and MT4, 5, and demand and supply. What is demand and supply? So if I ask a question, what is demand and supply, you should answer it because it should be in your mind. Okay, please go and do that, see that lesson, watch that video. Deceleration trade setup, this is very important. We'll be learning this in lesson number 3. And anticlimax, support, resistance, upward, downward trend. These are some of the examples which we have seen today. So lesson number 3, swing highs and swing lows, we will see in the next video. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. We will learn many things together, and I will teach you many things about beginner to expert trader. Even me, I began with like dollars and I lost much, and now I'm getting to know how to trade, and the basic idea in my mind is improved by learning these lessons. These lessons are very useful and very costly. As I said before, almost I spent $900 to learn these lessons. Please watch these lessons carefully, subscribe this channel, and we will see in the next video, which is lesson number 3. And one more thing, please join the Telegram group. That is for signals. I'm sending signals every day, 14 GMT to 17 GMT. So you will learn many things about trading there. You can see the signal and place it trades. So see you in the next video, and thank you for everything.